It was for me a great pleasure to be part of this whole process and to be part of the organization team for the Austrian roadshow in Salzburg. We worked on extensive grassland and alpine pastures. And it was really important to have all the stakeholders on the table and to can verify thesis and first results. I think it would be good for future projects to bring the stakeholders earlier on board so that you can validate theories. It was very interesting for me to see what a big consortium LAMASUS is, with a lot of scientific institutes all over Europe. They try to create a tool which is good for policy decisions for the future. It was interesting for me to see that it's not a perfect tool, but a good attempt to do so in future times. There are a lot of different regulations which have a great impact on the daily business on the farm. The upcoming European deforestation law, the nature conservation regulation, the common agricultural policy, which comes new every 7 years, new guidances, new things to take care about it. These all have a lot of impact on the daily business and the land use the farmers decided to do.